Good morning, all. So, thank you for coming here, and I give a special thanks to Mr. A.B. Chakravarti, sir, for giving me opportunity to be the part of such a wonderful conference. So, as my life started with the normal manufacture of silica gel, so that moment I was not so satisfied with what I was delivering to the world. Then it turned converted into giving the self life to the products which are manufactured and how to increase the shelf life, which helps the people to market their product in a well to worldwide. So this is our expertise where now talking about Hyderabad, the being a, I'm from Pune, so but most of the time I'm my all the base and customers are friends and in Hyderabad. Thank you to all. That's all.